At first glance, this might seem like a relaxing ASMR video, maybe one of those oddly satisfying clips that pop up on your feed. But the truth is, what you're looking at right now isn't real. It wasn't filmed, edited, or recorded in a studio. It was entirely created using artificial intelligence. And here's what's even more unbelievable. Someone used this exact method on TikTok and reached millions of views in just 6 days. No complex editing, no fancy equipment, just an AI prompt, a little creativity, and some strategic tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating these viral AI-generated ASMR videos. This strategy is perfect for content creators who want to build a YouTube Shorts or TikTok channel quickly, even if they have zero experience with video editing or scripting. The entire system starts with one prompt. It's available in the description of this video. When you open the prompt, you'll notice some red-colored text. Those are the placeholders. All you have to do is replace those red sections with any fruit or vegetable of your choice. You can go with something simple like a banana, or something unexpected like ginger, papaya, or even garlic. Once you make the change, just copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Instantly, it will return a fully customized version based on the item you chose. You can even make small tweaks to the tone or style if you want to make the video feel more unique. Now with that new prompt in hand, it's time to bring it to life visually. This is where the Google V3 model comes in. Just open it up, paste your prompt into the input field, and go into settings. Here's the trick. Instead of using the quality model, which charges 100 credits per generation, switch to the V3 fast model. It only uses 20 credits per video and still delivers amazing visuals. To save even more, you can set the output to just one result per prompt. That way, each video only costs you a fraction of what other tools might charge. Once you hit generate, the model will create a video clip based on your custom prompt in just a few seconds. It's fast, clean, and surprisingly professional looking. Before downloading, make sure to upscale the video to 1080p so you get a high-resolution clip completely free. This step is crucial if you want your content to look polished when uploading it to YouTube or TikTok. Now that you've got your first AI ASMR video, it's time to repeat the process. Just pick another fruit or vegetable, update the prompt, let ChatGPT rewrite it, and run it through the V3 model again. Each time, you'll get a brand new video that's visually different, with a fresh feel. You can keep rotating ideas: mango, cabbage, pomegranate, chili, anything. Every result gives you a unique piece of content ready to be shared with the world. This format is simple, and that's why it works. No editing software, no cameras, no fancy lighting, just a few prompt swaps, a few clicks, and boom, you've got viral-ready content that fits perfectly into the short-form vertical video world. And since ASMR content is already known for getting strong engagement and AI-generated visuals are still new and exciting, the combination is incredibly powerful. This method allows you to ride the wave of two trends at once. The beauty of this approach is how easy it is to scale. If you post consistently, one video a day, or even a few each week, you'll start seeing growth fast. The TikTok creator who gained millions in less than a week did nothing more than follow this same formula. It's all about consistency, curiosity, and showing up with new content that captures attention. You're not just following a trend, you're staying ahead of it by combining AI technology with content formats people already love. So, if you've been struggling to come up with ideas or feel overwhelmed by the editing process, this is your sign. Try it today. Use the prompt from the description, pick a fruit or veggie, let the tools do the work, and start uploading. No scripts, no stress, no production overhead. Just AI, creativity, and consistency. If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into creative tools, AI hacks, and viral content strategies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.